So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add a signature in your PDF. So you see this, I have added a signature, and if I'll click on this, I don't need a signature here. If I'll click on this and if I'll put my signature here, and I have to just click on save, it's done. Now you see this, the signature is there. So how you can do it? So for this you need this simple app, my PDF sign. So you have to install this app. You can search this app in App Store, or I will give you the app link in the description. From there you can install it. After it, click on open. Now you see this, there is this option add signature. Click on this. Now you have to choose your PDF here. Now click on this configure signature. Now you see this, there is this two options, draw signature. You can draw your signature, or you can just create your signature in a paper and you can just upload the photo of it. This will give you accurate signature. If you draw it in a paper and just upload it, this will give you an accurate signature. It will automatically make the background transparent, so don't worry. So it's done. Now you have to click on this position on PDF. Now we don't need it in first page, we need it here. So if I will select this and just put it here and click on save, done. Now let me just check. Now you see this, the signature is there. So it's pretty easy. You just need this app and all done. You can just download this app and that's it. So I hope you like this video and this video has helped you to get your work done. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.